Hello! Hello everyone! Okay, I'm between like answering messages and dancing and showing you guys what you're gonna get. Let me turn this off. And yeah, the floss. The floss. Okay, so check it out. I am about to unbox the box, the magic box that came in the mail yesterday, and show you guys what you're gonna get with your package. I'm getting a ton of messages, and I thought it would be easier to just make a video, and then you can ask me questions behind the scenes on Messenger. And I'm just gonna tell you, I'm loving this. I'm loving it because it's so easy to follow. And this is what you are going to get. Okay, so the unboxing. Obviously, you're gonna get the something like this that says let's do it, and that's motivation already, right? And inside of it you're gonna choose one of these either chocolate or vanilla or tropical. I recommend the vegan version way more because I just find it that is so easy to digest, and I mean the ingredients are just superfoods, and it's super convenient to make a smoothie loaded up high with lots of nutrition and go. So super convenient. Here's the box. Are you ready? So first you're gonna get these, get rid of it. And I also got in my box, if you order it, you're gonna get the beach bars. So I got that chocolate cherry almond and the peanut butter one. But this is like if you want it. You don't have to get it, but I mean, why not? Because it goes with the program, the 2B Mindset. You've seen me doing these a lot, and it is not the peace sign. It is the 2B Mindset principles that you're gonna learn in this nutrition course that I am going. Hi, yes, you can get this box. I'm gonna send it to you. I do send it to you, Sandy, yeah. And here is what I really want to show you. Some of the tools that you're going to get with the 2B Mindset. Algunas de las herramientas. Muy bonito, check it out. De las herramientas del 2B Mindset. Es la mentalidad nueva para una forma de ver la comida más saludablemente. Y bueno, are you ready? Here it goes. Besides your Shaco, you're also gonna get this package that it is the intro to the 2B Mindset. I'm just gonna put it here. And oh, the famous bottled water. This is what I've been waiting for. So check it out. Check it out. It is a mindset, you guys, una nueva mentalidad. Your water bottle is gonna look like this, and so cool because it's got all this awesome motivation here with the, like in the water bottle. And I'm gonna tell you how to use this. Think 2 pounds at a time, water first, veggies most, out of sight, out of mind. 2 hands on the wheel. You're gonna learn about that, 2 hands on the wheel. All of these are principles from the 2B Mindset that you are going to learn with me. So that one. And then we also have this booklet that is called the Get Started. Okay? So this is Ilana, and she is the creator that I've teamed up with. She's a registered dietitian, and she is developed this awesome program that is a fresh approach to nutrition, and avoid saying, instead of focusing on saying no to things, you're gonna focus on what you can say yes to. All right, so that's that. So it is the Get Started Guide, and beautiful, my tracker. This is one of the tools that you are going to use, and because if you don't track it, we're never gonna know what your habits are. So we are going to take a deeper look to what you do every single day, and I'm gonna send you this stuff. Will come in your box, okay? All like that. Plus, you are going to get access right away as soon as you order it. Hi, Bodhi. Bodhi's unboxing. Hi, say hi. Here's your box. Hello. Hi, Moshi. You gonna give mommy a beso? Oh, a downward dog. Oh, yeah. She likes doing exercise and she does yoga with me and the kids and Rob. So she's doing a downward dog there. Good job, Moshi. Alrighty, so then the access to the website, you are going to get right away access to the workouts, and there is like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So like thousands of workouts, muchísimos ejercicios que puedes tener aquí, programas completos como el 80-day obsession, 3 yoga retreat, clean week, 21-day fix, bio, shift shop, core de force, and it goes on and on. And T25, actually, like, this is one of the most popular ones because it's only 25 minutes. T25, Insanity, Size, the cookbook, Fixate, Country Heat. I'm actually in this video. I'm gonna see if I can play it for you. I am in, I think it's this one. Let's see if they show me. Anyway, so that is all the workouts, and you get instant access to it, including Country Heat featuring me. Oh yeah, I'm there. Do you see me? Where am I? I'm that one in the back. Just showing you a little bit more. If you haven't tried Country Heat, maybe you want to try it. And then, so this is how a workout looks. If you want to do something light, like a dance workout, then you can do this. Check it out. Yeah, that's Autumn. That's about a year ago. Okay, so besides that, I'm going to show you the nutrition tab. Okay, so that's all the workouts you can get, and then you're gonna notice here, welcome, nutrition tab. You are going to click here, and I mean, amazing all the things you're gonna get. Because once you order this, the lock icon goes away, and then you'll be able to click on it, and then you go to the videos and all the resources. From the videos, today we're talking about the two bunnies that you see me doing all the time, those thingies. And hi guys. And so I'm just gonna show you a little bit, but is the nutrition course that you're gonna be looking at, and it is 2Bmindset, having a better relationship with food, the two bunnies. I'm just gonna give you a little sneak peek because I cannot show you everything.
Both for myself and all my private clients, I realized it always came down to 4 basic principles that work every single time. I call them my 2 bunnies. The first bunny is...
Oh, the first bunny, I'm going to show it to you in our group. And so I just wanted to show you all the videos that you're going to have access to. This is basically a nutrition course that you're going to have at your fingertips along with all the workouts. Anyway, that is it. That's what you get. All this stuff here. Where is it? Here. All this stuff. You're gonna get the Beachbody On Demand workouts, plus nutrition, plus access to my VIP group, and me and Moshi and Bodhi. Are you gonna give me a beso? Are you gonna give me a beso? Oh, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna keep going here, replying to your messages. Oh, yeah, she wants some tummy wraps. Tummy wraps. Say bye, Moshi. Bye. I'll talk to you guys later.